How can I display full, non-truncated, dataframe information in HTML when converting from Pandas dataframe to HTML? I converted a Pandas dataframe to an HTML output using the dataframe.to_HTML function. When I save this to a separate HTML file, the file shows truncated output. For example, in my text column, df.head1 will show, "The film was an excellent effort," instead of, "The film was an excellent effort in deconstructing the complex social sentiments that prevailed during this period." This rendition is fine in the case of a screen-friendly format of a massive Pandas data frame, but I need an HTML file that will show complete tabular data contained in the data frame, that is, something that will show the latter text element rather than the former text snippet. How would I be able to show the complete, non-truncated text data for each element in my text column in the HTML version of the information? I would imagine that the HTML table would have to display long cells to show the complete data, but as far as I understand, only column width parameters can be passed into the dataframe.to_HTML function.
Set the display.max_call width option to none, or -1 before version 1.0. Set _option documentation. For example, in IPython, we see that the information is truncated to 50 characters. Anything in excess is ellipsized. If you set the display.max_call width option, the information will be displayed fully.
ID, second argument, can fully show the columns.
While pd.set_option display.max_columns, none, sets the number of the maximum columns shown, the option pd.set_option display.max_call_width, -1, sets the maximum width of each single field. For my purposes, I wrote a small helper function to fully print huge data frames without affecting the rest of the code. It also reformats float numbers and sets the virtual display width. You may adopt it for your use cases.
Jupyter users. Whenever I need this for just one cell, I use this.
Idioma, prossegue, preste considerações.